So what is DNA? You might well have heard of it before, and you may or may not know what it stands for. It stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. So it's 3 words, deoxyribonucleic acid. So DNA is basically just the code that's inside all of your body, so it's in every one of your cells, which are the tiny things that make up your body, and it's the code that makes you, you. So your DNA tells you whether you're going to be a boy or a girl, and it can tell you what colour your eyes are going to be, and what colour your hair is going to be. You get half of your DNA from your mum, and half of your DNA from your dad, which is why you might look similar to your mum in some ways, and similar to your dad in other ways. There are also lots of things that we get that aren't in our DNA. So the things that you like and the things that you enjoy doing, they probably come more from the different experiences that you've had in life. So some things are in your DNA, like your eye colour, your hair colour, or whether you can do this, and also whether you can do this. And other things you just learn as you go through life.